Hello all the lovely people, welcome back to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. So if you are a mango lover like me, so today's recipe is definitely for you. So today I'm going to show you how to make a thick mango milkshake at home with a minimum ingredients. So let's get started. So these are the few ingredients required, and the secret ingredient which makes the mango milkshake thick and creamy in taste is nothing fancy but half cup of frozen milk. So let's begin by adding half cup of milk to the blender. After adding the milk, add the frozen milk. Then add some powdered sugar. After the powdered sugar, add the mango puree. Now we have to just blend it until smooth and creamy texture. After you finish blending, pour it to a mason jar or any glass of your choice. Garnish it with chopped mango pieces. I am using frozen mango pieces over here. If you have fresh one, you can use it. If you have mangoes at home and don't know how to store it, so check out my video on that. The link is in the description and in the I button above. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, you can watch my playlist. The link is in the description.